Hey guys, today I'm explain single-sided busing. So this has been a popular thing on like 18650s and Powerwall community. What they're doing is they're taking their cells and they're making the busing all on top. So there's no busing underneath. So say for example, this was your battery. You'd have like a negative bar running right here and then a positive bar across the top. Your busing ends up being really close this way, and I wouldn't recommend it for like anything high power application. But if you look here, you can see that the cell has voltage just on top. So what they're doing is, say even you put the cases together, go from the negative here to the positive here, you can see that they have voltage. Another thing you could do for single-sided busing would be to put sheets in. I've seen that. I've seen some pretty crazy things done this way. You do want them spot welded though. I've seen guys soldering them this way and whatnot, and to do it right here at the separator is actually a pretty dangerous spot. Like, it's so easy to short the cells right there. So not recommended, and I wouldn't recommend it, that is. So, and you have your cell wrappers. So cells normally negative, positive, and there's your little protector there. Some of these have like a vinyl protector also, but very easily you can short this across here. If you look, there's a little black ring in there, and that's your protector. So that's single-sided busing, and a little explanation of it for all the 18650 lithium guys doing power walls and whatnot. Not my personal recommendation, but that's what people have been doing. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up and a subscribe.